Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about collocations. Collocations are fixed expressions that become established through repeated context-dependent use. An example is crystal clear, which means very clear. In this video, most collocations will consist of a noun and an adjective. The meaning of the first part is in all cases intensifying, so it can be replaced by the adverb very. Okay. And here's the first collocation, bone idle. Bone idle means very idle. And here's an example. Mark, Robin, and Steve have lost their jobs. Now they spend all days doing nothing. They're bone idle. Okay. The next collocation is dirt cheap. So very, very cheap. And here's an example. I just couldn't help buying this car. It was dirt cheap. Okay, next we have dog tired. So very, very tired. The puppies fell asleep immediately. They were dog tired. Okay. Stone deaf. Stone deaf means absolutely deaf. I wanted to play the piano for my new neighbor, but she turned out to be stone deaf. Okay? Then we have brand new. Brand new means totally new. We bought some brand new chairs for our office. Okay? Then we have stark naked. Stark naked means completely naked. It was a stark winter day, and the poor snowman was standing out there stark naked. Pitch dark, which means extremely dark. I was holding a candle because it was impossible to read without one. The room was pitch dark that night. Then you have razor sharp, which means very sharp. Stella was slicing the peppers with a tool the name of which I can't recall. I only remember it was razor sharp. Okay, then we have crystal clear, which I mentioned in the introduction. It means very clear. We could see all the wildlife very well. The water was crystal clear. Okay, then we have bone dry, which means completely dry, extremely dry. The doctor told him to drink more water because his skin looked bone dry, especially on his face. Okay, flat broke. Flat broke means completely broke. Our friends lost all the money they had inherited from the old baker. They're flat broke. Blind drunk. Blind drunk means very, very drunk. His boss can't remember what he was doing in the park yesterday. He must have been blind drunk. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.